All right, y'all. So, come here to pick up a load at, in Belvidere. And first time ever, man, they have a tornado warning up here. It's like northwest of Chicago, somewhere like Rochelle, Illinois. So, what happens is you come in here checking as a truck driver for your load, and then they had a tornado warning going on. So, what they did was they had us all come in here like sardines. So we're sitting in here, I guess, until the tornado passes or whatnot. So this is what's going on here today. So we'll let y'all know when we go back to the ATM soon. All right, let's roll them out.